Hello, this is Phantom Face. Do not watch this video. Leave this video right now. Because it's shit. That's right, it's fucking shit. Don't spend a second longer watching it. Close YouTube, shut down your computer, or if you're a millennial, throw your iPhone out of the window. Do it now because it's going to get worse, much worse. There is a story to tell too. You don't want to hear that. It sucks. You suck. Now fuck off. Are you still here? You're either curious, or a moron. Which one is it, asshole? I was curious once. I wanted to go to the moon, so I set off on a magical rocket ship that I built with fucking cardboard and bullshit. Are you fucking kidding me? Why the fuck are you still here? Oh, I know what you're going to do. You're going to hit the like button, aren't you? And then you're going to share this video with your 12 Facebook friends, most of whom don't even like you. Pathetic. More people are going to share this video and it's going to go viral. Then guess what? I'm going to be rich and famous. And you'll be the one to blame. Can you live with that shit? Think about it. Anyway, congratulations. You just wasted 2 minutes of your life. You should be fucking proud of yourself. In my next video, I'm going to read some news. Goodbye.